In the ever-evolving world of fitness, bodyweight exercises have become a cornerstone for those seeking an effective workout without the need for equipment. These exercises rely solely on your body weight to build strength, endurance, and flexibility, making them accessible and convenient for everyone. Among the myriad of bodyweight exercises, the plank stands out as a timeless and versatile movement that delivers remarkable benefits. Whether you're new to fitness or a seasoned athlete, incorporating just 1 minute of planking into your daily routine can yield impressive results. Planks might seem simple, but don't let their unassuming nature fool you. This exercise is one of the most effective ways to strengthen your core, which is essential for overall body stability and function. The beauty of planking lies in its efficiency. Just 1 minute a day can profoundly impact your physical and mental well-being. Here is what you can expect if you commit to planking daily. Number 1. Significantly reduces the risk of back and spinal injuries. Many exercises, particularly those that involve heavy lifting or complex movements, can put strain on your back and spine, increasing the risk of injury. However, planking is different. When performed correctly, planks help to build a robust core, which acts as a natural brace for your back. This not only strengthens the muscles surrounding your spine, but also improves spinal alignment and posture. Over time, this can lead to a reduction in back pain and a lower risk of injuries. Unlike other exercises that may exacerbate back issues, planking supports your spine and helps you move more efficiently throughout your day. Number 2. Defines and tones your ARBs. Achieving well-defined ARBs is a common fitness goal, and planking is one of the most effective exercises to help you get there. Planks engage every major core muscle, including the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, transverse abdominis, and obliques. By holding a plank, you create constant tension in these muscles, leading to increased strength and definition over time. But the benefits don't stop at your abs. A strong core enhances your overall physical performance, making it easier to execute other exercises, from heavy lifts like squats and deadlifts to everyday movements like bending and lifting. Plus, for women, planking also tones the glutes, contributing to a firmer, more lifted appearance. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Number 3. Boosts your metabolism and burns calories. One of the key advantages of planking is its ability to rev up your metabolism. As a compound exercise, planks engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your core, shoulders, arms, and legs. This full body activation means you burn more calories in a shorter time than other isolated exercises like crunches or sit-ups. Moreover, building muscle through planking increases your resting metabolic rate, so you'll continue to burn calories even after your workout. For those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy body composition, planking is a time-efficient way to boost your metabolism and enhance calorie burn. Number 4. Enhances your balance and stability. Balance is a critical component of fitness, affecting everything from your ability to stand on one leg to your performance in sports and daily activities. If you've ever struggled to maintain balance, it might be due to weak core muscles. Planking is an excellent way to improve your balance and stability because it requires you to engage your core and maintain a steady position. Over time, this increased core strength translates to better balance, which can enhance your athletic performance and reduce the risk of falls and injuries. Whether you're a runner, a yogi, or someone who simply wants to improve their coordination, planking can help you achieve greater stability. Number 5. Provides mental health benefits. The physical benefits of planking are well documented, but did you know that this exercise can also boost your mental health? Planking has a unique ability to influence your mood by affecting the muscles and nerves that are often impacted by stress. When you sit or stand for long periods, especially in poor posture, your muscles can become tense and tight, leading to discomfort and stress. Planking helps stretch and relax these muscles, reducing physical tension and promoting a sense of calm. Moreover, the focus and discipline required to hold a plank can be meditative, helping to clear your mind and reduce anxiety. Over time, this can lead to improved mental clarity and a more positive outlook on life. Incorporating planks into your daily routine is more than just a quick fix for core strength. It's a holistic approach to improving your overall health and fitness. By dedicating just 1 minute each day to this powerful exercise, you can enjoy a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond a toned midsection. From protecting your back and enhancing your balance to boosting your metabolism and lifting your mood, planking is a simple yet transformative practice. So are you ready to make planking a daily habit? If so, start with just 1 minute each day and gradually increase your time as your strength improves. You'll be amazed at how quickly you notice the benefits. After a month of consistent planking, take note of how your body and mind have changed. We'd love to hear about your progress, so be sure to share your results in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips and insights on health and fitness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your journey to a stronger, healthier you starts with just 1 minute of planking each day.